Armed. Armed. Armed.
Tingin ako. Turan, tingin ako. Tingin ako.
Ay, podcast lang naman, di na. Episode daw yun eh.
Sample personal message for all platforms na live. May it be text message or sa messenger or I guess a telegram. Those are personal messages. As long as you ito yan. Halimbawa, nag-play siya ng video, no? Yung nakakatawa. Tapos ang lakas-naka sa G. Di ba papatingin ka? Bakit? Ang tawag kasi dyan, stimulus response.
Hindi ka Catholic? Catholic ka? Sino hindi Catholic? Pangalan ko ulit.
Ambition. What about ambition?
Wait lang. Ambition, entrepreneur, staying motivated, persistent, and
Ayan. Bakit naman sila tatawag sa 6? Sa 6th floor, nag-ghost hunting kami. Igagi talaga! Check natin lahat ng floor. Tara. Ano ba? Maaga naman eh, di ba? OMG! Saan? Baka dito sa 6th floor. Uy! Saan yan? Hindi. Shane, ikaw ba yan? Pakita mo ng baso ko, ikaw. Buti na lang, nandito si Aaron. Ghost hunting. Ghost hunting. Ghost hunting sa umaga. Uy, si Ma'am Roma rin. Fuck dito, guys. Ano ba to? Third pa lang to? Ghost hunting. So, pababa na kami ng second floor. Nakakaramdam ako dito. Charis. Hindi ako nagpunta dito para makipaglaro. Ano? Okay, pababa na kami sa first floor. Pwede kung first, hindi masyado nakakatakot. First pa?
Sorry, kala na siya ng available plastic workers now. Please
So today is Thursday, and for my uniform, I'm wearing my food and beverage uniform and a lightweight makeup and skirt.
Pick your season or occupation. It's time to send in your application. Get to know your short-term friends you only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out, you and me, wander around West County. Take my hand, shop and see. Only get paid hourly. We can couple, I can drive. Listening to Jackson 5. We can make it, we'll survive. Those might be sleep deprived. Employee discounts will be all gone. When we make our money, we spend it all. Since we're working retail at the mall.
So, gagawin ko ang itong lahat ng details na to, kukunin ko lang sa table ko. Bakit sinabi mo ito lang muna sa table 2, table 4, table 6, table 10.
Stephanie. Rizel. Christian.
Ayun, kayo ako nasunog. Ang mabilis ng camera. Dapat yan, maganda naman kayo dyan. Isa, hindi pa tapos. Oo nga, tapos isang Nagbalalina. Mas kapag nagsaga ako. Yung... Ulit na. Ulit. Dahan-dahan lahat. Sobra pa nga eh. Parang masyado naman natin nabilisan ngayon. Masyado nabilisan. Hindi na nakasali. So, dapat hindi mo sinabay mo yung ano. Bilis natin, guys. Ulitin mo yung pangat. Ay, dadrop ba? Ay, dadrop ba? Ay, dadrop ba? Hindi ko alam. Oras na. Grabe yung mga ako. Palaban ko marunong lumakad si Chesto.
Hello po. Welcome to my vlog.
Okay lang, hindi tumalsik. Kwento na kayo, ano yung kwento niyo? Hey guys! So today is Friday and suspended yung pasok namin. Pero di naman naulan. So ngayon, I'm going to see my friends and I'm going to take you guys with me. So for my outfit, I'm wearing a black sando as always. Disclaimer lang, sobrang dami kong black sando. So hindi pa ulit-ulit yan. And for my hair, nag-bun lang ako dahil lang init. And for my bottom, I'm wearing this jogging pants again and again. I'm obsessed with this jogging pants.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So go now, don't like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
insert.